don't know if you can see this, but up here, I have 6 boxes. Actually, 8 boxes of pasta. Oh my goodness, y'all. Plus, I have all this pasta. And I even have some of this pasta. I have, oh, and look, more pasta. So, I've been trying to think of recipes that can use some of this pasta. So, I'm going to make some, like, goulash. But I only want to use pantry stuff. So, let's see what we can come up with. I think I'm like the hoisin sauce guy. Do y'all remember that guy? Go to the store, buy more hoisin sauce. Go to the store, get more hoisin sauce. I think there was a bread one too, like a bread lady who had like 10 loaves of bread or something. Anyway. These tomatoes are actually from my husband's aunt's garden. They grew them and her husband, his uncle, cans them all. I think that's what they said. That right there is their deer, some venison. And I know he canned that because we talked about it. So I just assume he canned the tomatoes too, but she may have. I don't know. Anyway, homegrown tomatoes and they're home canned, so delicious. I'm going to add in 1 can of tomato sauce and 1 can of diced tomatoes. So instead of adding ground meat, I'm going to use up some of my canned chili and we're going to use that. So I'm going to use 2 cans of chili. Not only will this help me use up some of my pantry stuff, this is going to taste extra yummy because it's already pre-seasoned. Alright, it doesn't look good, but I know it's going to taste good. Just stir all this to combine. Now I'm going to add in some garlic. That's like a half a tablespoon. And there's some more. I spilt half of it. Darn it. Next is some Worcestershire sauce. About that much. Now I'm going to add 3 cups of broth. Use whatever you like. Whatever you got. Paprika. Now you want to add in 1 pound of macaroni. I'm using elbows because that's what I have 5 jillion jars of, or boxes, but you can use whatever you want. So bring this up to a boil, reduce the heat, and let it cook for about 20 minutes. After your 20 minutes is up, go ahead and taste it, see if it needs anything. If it's good, it's good. If you start to notice that you're running out of liquid, you still have about a cup of broth in this if you use one of these, or just add a cup of water or something. It'll be fine. Taste it, and then I'm going to freeze about half of mine for my future self. I forgot to tell you, add a tablespoon of jalapeno jelly. Promise you, you'll like it. Just stir it in. It'll completely dissolve. When it's done, pour it into a bowl, serve it with some cheese or sour cream, something creamy like that would be really good. Enjoy!